Hey everybody, my name is Matt Powell. I'm here with my coach Devin Bowie at Body Evolution. I want to go through the new reverse hyper and glute hand. Devin's going to hop on up. So the reverse hyper is going to allow him to work his low back, hamstrings, the entire posterior chain while being able to go through and also deload it and get a little bit of traction on the spine. So not only is it great for getting stronger and working for things like powerlifting, strongman, stuff like that, it's also great for rehab for the general lifter. So Devin's hips are right about the line right here. And then from here, what he's going to do is he's going to grab onto the two handles up top. He's going to let the strap sit just above his shoes on his ankles right there. He's going to get a little momentum going just by swinging his legs. And then from there, he's going to come up to parallel with the ground. He'll come right back down, allowing the momentum to bring it back down. He's also going to lift up his upper back just slightly as he comes up, gets that full contraction on the entire erector while squeezing his butt and his hamstrings. When he's done, he's going to slow it down. He's then going to slide down the pad, put his feet on the ground, or for the shorter people, there are two steps here, so you can put on one foot. So we'll show you guys real quick. So take one foot out of the strap, please, Dev. You can actually push yourself up on one step, hook your foot in with the other foot, boom, just like that. And now once you're settled, you'll put both feet into the strap. Again, for you vertically challenged people, this is a great way to get in, and then you can do the exact same motion from here. Again, get a little momentum, lift that chest up as high and as hard as you can at the top, boom, and then relax it. Good, right there. That big swing at the bottom is going to allow that traction and that expansion, which is going to help with some of that rehab for anyone who has low back issues as well.